Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. I wish not to trigger our pandemic experience, but I wish to recall our, if I may say, communal experience about thirsting for the Eucharist during those moments. For some, for almost 3 months of the ECQ or the extreme community quarantine, if I'm right with my recollection, we haven't gone to church for daily or Sunday masses. Online masses would be there to suffice and support our spiritual well-being, but then no receiving of the Eucharist after all. I was still a seminarian back then, and I can just really feel again that want to have the Lord back to my system. At ang pananabik na ito ay nadala naman sa agarang pagtanggap natin kay Jesus. We now see how churches today are full every Sunday, and how each person tries to really give their best as they receive the Lord. There lies an experience of want or wanting with the readings we have heard today. As Stephen was slowly being led to his martyrdom, he prayed for this request: Jesus, receive my spirit. And as such, as we continue to hear the 6th chapter of St. John, once more a want or a request was also given. Sir, give us this bread always. We ask our wants to God, to this God who does not disappoint. He did not only give Stephen another life or peace, He gave Stephen heaven. Jesus gave not only a piece of bread to these people, but He gave Himself that will give them life, maybe energy and passion to continue with life. Like this too, we often or every day express to God many needs, many desires, and many wants. Sasabihin natin, sana lumakas ako, sana maitawid natin ang araw na ito, sana bumuti ang pakiramdam ko, sana umayos ang pag-aaral ko, sana makapasa, etc., etc. We hold on to these many requests, facing a God who does not disappoint. He gives more than what we could ask for. Not only 1%, but a full of it. Not only with what can spice a little bit our bodies, but all the more what can give life to the rest of our very being. My dear brothers and sisters, we do not stop our seeking and wanting. God is ready to hear and to supply. He won't disappoint us, but He would continue to bless us.